Alright, sorry if the video quality is dumbed down, but I'm using my old phone. My new one's charging, uploading to YouTube currently. I got this along with all this for free. And this one needed a belt because the other one turned to goo and was stuck all around the spindle. So I put a new belt on after cleaning it. And right now I'm just cleaning the cap stand, not the playhead, because the playhead's clean. And you're probably thinking, why is there a paper towel on a cleaning cartridge cart? That's because I can put the stuff around it and it cleans the pinch roller. Because here's the other side, pretty black. So, but I have a head cleaner and slash capstan cleaner all in one cartridge. I can't find it. I just saw it last week. So I'm doing the alternate route and just putting paper towel over the spot there and cleaning the capstan. Definitely a lot better. And so I'm also clean the head while I'm at it, even though let's see if there's, yeah, we got numbers. I don't know if this one has any foil on it to change tracks. It's taking too long. My guess is it doesn't. But anyway, put a new belt on. So now this one should be good to go. And this one right here, a lot more works on this thing than I thought. I hooked speakers to it finally. You bitch. And so it's on the radio now. Let's go to tape cartridge. So it's a little bit wow and flutter, but at the point, I'm not worried about it. It is a very old unit, and it's missing the plate here. Because there's the glue. Must have been a silver plate or something, but that works. The 8-track deck surprisingly works. I don't have to go in it and deal with anything right now. Thank God. The radio works, but
Nature Arena on November 25th at 8 p.m. Get rocked into the whole.
Class is just about to start, and don't.
I've got a few years on me now, but there was a time.
So yeah, now I just gotta work on those tape decks right there. Man, this phone does pretty horrible. Surprised I even dealt with it for the last couple of years. Man, oh man. All right, anyway, that's that, and I'll see you later.